Hey you guys, it's Sara and Angie. We wanted to come and show you if we were going on vacation, hypothetically, or realistically. Hypothetically.
Yeah, more hypothetically than realistically.
We're going to make up these vacations. Where are you headed?
Puerto Rico.
Oh, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
That's
Where are you
great.
headed?
Wisconsin Dells. Okay. Let's say we're going on vacation. Here's what we're packing. We're showing you 3 different outfits each that we are taking with us in our suitcase, carry-on only.
Right.
Because we're on a budget. Okay, so what I put on today for what I'm packing is a very cute and casual outfit. This is a new skirt.
Cute.
From Thread and Supply. Very stretchy, very comfortable. You could go to that local cafe. You could eat whatever you want to eat, you know, because it's vacation.
Right.
Calories don't count on vacation.
Correct.
Obviously. And then I'm wearing this top from Free People. Very cute.
I feel like you get really hot in that when
Well,
you're in the sun because you're wearing black.
Good thing I'm in medium weather. I'm not in the, where are you again? Puerto Rico.
Caribbean.
I'm not in the Caribbean. I'm Wisconsin Dells.
My outfit explains it all. These pants. Why I packed these for my Caribbean vacation is I feel like they are a super great swimsuit cover-up.
Yes.
Or you could definitely dress it up a little bit, put on this beach sweater. All right, here is outfit number 2 that we are packing for our Wisconsin Dells Caribbean vacation. So the next outfit that I put on is this little 2-piece set. It also comes in a black colorway. Elastic waistband, self-tie drawstring, has a little button detail on the back. So cute, light, airy, love it.
Easy.
It is easy,
Yeah,
for
for
sure.
and match your pieces, obviously.
Definitely could do that.
Okay, I threw on this little midi dress here. I love the little square pattern detailing here. Ruffle sleeve, smocked top. Very, very comfortable. I'm wearing it with a heel right now. This is for my hypothetical dinner. You know, things like that. However, and going to the
Candy store.
maybe a mini golfing.
Yeah, that's
You know?
better.
Like you can put a little sneaker with it, maybe
Yeah.
a little denim jacket when it gets cold on the mini golf course.
Yeah, right.
When the water splashes.
Yeah.
Okay, last look for our vacation styles. I went on another skirt right now. This is a denim skirt cut from the cloth. Very comfortable, very easy to wear. I just paired it with a basic white bodysuit, which is essential to pack. Goes with everything, obviously.
Yep.
And then I threw on this little crochet knitted cardigan. And then obviously, a pair of sunnies to complete the look.
Last look I have on is I'm always gonna take my Rollas everywhere on vacation. These are my favorite denim shorts. They are super, super high rise. I do suggest going up 1 or 2 sizes in this style. I just threw on a super colorful, because I'm in the Caribbean.
Caribbean or Caribbean?
Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean, but it's the Caribbean.
Like watercolor tank situation. This has matching pants.
There is
This has matching pants.
That has
too.
a pant.
So it's like a 2-for-1 special.
Yeah.
You could wear the tank with the shorts during the day, and then you could wear the tank back to the pants to go out to dinner.
Crossbody's only for vacation.
Right. Well, no,
So
I wear a
these-
crossbody every day.
But when you go on vacation, I'm not gonna bring a little shoulder bag.
Oh yeah, no.
Only crossbodies.
Yeah, for sure.
because-
You got to keep your goods safe.
Right.
So no one
Close to your person.
no one can swipe it from you
Yeah.
because they'll take you down. All right, you guys, that is just a couple looks that Sara and I are packing for upcoming vacations that we wish we were going on.
Yeah.
We have so many more options and styles available for you at Lila and Lavender in stores and online. You should check out our vacation shop online or in the app at lilaandlavender.com.
Safe travels and pack light.